2016 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass, USB connection, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.